Hey, this is Greg and Alan with Oak Lake Village. This is the entrance to our campsite, RV park. We tend to call ourselves more of a campsite than an RV park because, as you can see, we're in a rural wooded area, as nice as can be.
As opposed to the cookie cutter side by side, this and that, and we have about all the amenities. You can see our well here.
We do not have direct connect water, but we can fill any RV, any camper in your Holden tanks, and we will actually come out and fill it ourselves.
We're set up for off-grid. Because we think it's something that's sorely lacking out there, is having a campground somebody can come stay long-term. You can stay in whatever you want to stay in out here. Our zoning, our county regulates us as a village, so there's very little in the way of zoning. You can stay in an RV, you can stay in a tent, you can stay in a yurt, you can stay in, you get the point, whatever you want to stay in. Well, we got a good nice well here, nice drinking water for the off-grid. We do have it hooked up to a hose here to fill our shower.
And we have had one-nighter campers come in. We encourage that, but we are in the long term looking for long-term campers, livers. You know, if you live in your RV, this is the place to be. Here is our north side campsite, and hard to tell distance, but this you could fit your biggest RV or camper into here. You could fit a 40-foot camper RV in this spot easy. That's how big it is.
And if you're staying with us long term, we will let you put up a shed, do gardens. We're pretty lenient on pets.
You see, we are pet friendly. Here's our boys right here, Billy and Cliff. They do everything with us, and they are children friendly, people friendly. They are the best dogs in the world.
They're great guards for the site too. We've had no theft here. There's no issues, whatever. You see the shower and compost toilet. We are, for lack of a better word, a green type facility. We've got recycling. We've got compost toilet. We don't do pit toilets or anything like that. Compost toilet, peat moss. Do your business, peat moss.
Over here we do have our sewage dump. If that's what you prefer, you know, we encourage you to do whatever you want to do out here. We have our sewage dump there. We have our electrical. We have 50 amp, 30 amp, two 120s. We plug in our radio out here and listen. We have capabilities to have two 30 amp campers or 15, 30. And we also, these sites over here are for tent camping. We encourage tent camping. Bring a teepee out here, man. We're all for anything. Alan will show you the bathroom we have set up here.
Get a shot of the
solar shower.
Solar shower. We can fill that up from the pump well. Pump and fill that up. Holds about 18 gallons. You can see our real secure lock on it.
We've had no worries about. We were going to put a lock on there, but we haven't had to worry about it. Nobody bothers anybody out here. We've actually had a neighbor that asked if he could take a shower out here, and we haven't talked to him about it yet.
We got a shower right here. It's gravity feed shower. Nice and warm. In the winters, it could get a little interesting for an off-gridder. We've got a compost toilet right here. Goes down into and you can obviously see this is not completely finished yet. It's still in progress, but it'll be done soon. But it's got a pit down below, so basically, again, just do your business and put a little peat moss on it, and it'll break down, and we'll plant flowers in it.
And the size of this thing, if you can't tell, it's plenty of room for shower, change your clothes, everything in there. We will have lights installed and all that good stuff soon. This is our first year opening the campground. We've already had a few campers come and stay, and we are priced cheaper than we got 2 huge lakes around here. Toronto and Fall River Lake are beautiful, but we are almost half the price of what it costs you to stay a month at the lakes. And plus, we are a year-round campground. You can come out here and live. And
for YouTube purposes, we're not going to talk about any prices here, but you can visit us at oaklakevillage.com.
That's oaklakevillage.com.
And that'll give you all the info on pricing, whatever you need. You can see the fire pit. Got some devices to cook off-grid, so you got all the ability for you off-gridders to cook, to clean, to do whatever you need to do. Or if you want to have amenities, you can have amenities too.
There are this is our brand new picnic table. We are going to set up some toys, a tree swing, you know, and things like that in the next coming year or so. And have some things out here for kids.
Kind of get a wide shot. We started out, and we won't ramble too much. We want to keep these things short because we're going to do several of them. But we started out with 3 lots over here. And this is another good opportunity for people. If you want to come out here and stay while you're getting your own things together, if you buy a lot or whatever, you've got a place to stay. But there's so much room for the off-gridder, the prepper, to do whatever you want to do out here. It's, you can see it's as beautiful as it gets. See our garden, which is sitting fallow this year.
Except our grapes are growing.
Been too busy to do anything with it really, but we started with the 3 lots to the north here, bought 3 more to the south, and then what you saw with the campground, and we've got a little just under 2 acres right here. So it's a great opportunity for any off-gridders. Come out here, join us.
Even the little dogs love it.
Yeah, join us in the prepper lifestyle. You know, we realize everybody's poor, the world's crazy, and we've all got to do something to, if nothing else, regain our own sanity. And that's a lot of what it's been for us out here, is just a connection to nature, and we'd like to share that with everybody else. So,
and thank you for watching our video, and come see us at www.oaklakevillage.com, and we will be making another video soon. We are in Fall River, Kansas. That is Fall River, Kansas. We're about 80 miles east of Wichita, Kansas, and there's a nice town, Fredonia, right by here. And we are out in the rural area enjoying ourselves. You all have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.